So this is exactly how I got my first 209 subscribers. Before I knew it, that's in a flash. Hey guys, it's all good to actually start your YouTube channel, okay? As I've always been preaching. You see, I started this YouTube channel, especially those of you who actually know me from my first channel. I started it some times ago, and then fortunately, I've been able to monetize that channel. That is at Smart Explores. And so I decided to actually get onto this channel to get you the experience I've gathered over there. And to my surprise, in fact, before I knew it, I am having 209 subscribers over here on my new channel. Sounds so great and awesome. Yes, and that's exactly what I'm going to take you through. It's a very nice and interesting story and a motivational one indeed that I'm going to share with you this very day. Hey guys, this is my YouTube channel. That's my second YouTube channel actually for tutorials to actually get you know or let you know what you must do and what you must not do, what you must also stay away from, so that you can get your YouTube channel growing from grass to grace. Oh yeah, so I started this my exploration channel on YouTube, discovering people with special talents and all that. And so when you get to that channel, there are a number of videos over there showcasing the talented people and all that, and then the tourist sites and the places to visit actually when you get to Ghana in Africa. All right, so when I got the account monetized, that's between 24 hours I was able to get my first channel monetized. Yes, even that one, I'll be working on a video on that one. Yes, within 24 hours I applied and quickly I got it monetized. It was so great. Oh yes, and I'm sure you will love to hear that story. All right, so I decided to actually get this channel to help you guys on how to actually start your business, your YouTube business. And hey, within a twinkle of an eye, 209 subscribers. I'm so grateful, guys. I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful. And that's what I'm coming to show you, how I was able to do that. You see, first of all, you must try to give value. All right, I have been saying that. Give value. All right, is that your video? As you give value, as they actually come watch, are they getting something positive from the video? Yes. If they continue to get something positive from the video, trust me, they will continuously be coming to your channel to watch. And then, you see, the first time I uploaded a video, I was like, hey, wow. Even before I uploaded, when I started the channel, I changed the name to my official name. I was getting a lot of subscribers, and I was like, wow. I think about the first time it was about 10, getting to 15, getting to 20. In that one, I was like, really? So you guys actually love and care about me so much. In fact, I am so grateful. I was like, I wanted to actually make videos for my family and friends and people around and stuff like that. But it got to a point, it was like a 10 to 50 subscribers. And I get to 100 subscribers, getting to 150. And now, 209 subscribers. It's unbelievable. Okay, so give value in your videos. Not only that, and as you give value, please try as much as possible to also share your story. Oh yes, even this story I'm sharing over here, I've not shared on my first YouTube channel. That's the exploration channel. No, so I decided to actually share it over here. So share your story, let them know your success story, the challenges and all that. Okay, and as you continue to do that, trust me, you're actually going to get the subscribers you want. As you keep on sharing your story, please be consistent too. Be uploading. When I check on my channel over here, there's not even a single day I don't upload a video over here. I keep on uploading. Yes, have time for YouTube. YouTube is a business, a whole business altogether. Try and have time for that. Keep on sharing your stories, the inspirational stories, the challenges and all that, and how you were able to come out of those challenges. And as you do that, trust me, you're gonna have a lot of people to actually come follow you over here, and it's gonna be all joy. It's gonna be amazing. So as I kept on sharing my stories, as I kept on giving value, as I kept on being consistent over here, I also got to realize that it was moving from 100, 120, 130, 150, and I was like, wow. So that is how it works, right? Oh, I see. All right. So you should also be copying this. Just copy that, and it's going to help you. Be consistent. Give value. Continue to share your stories. Try as much as possible to be showing up almost all the times. Be uploading videos of high quality, and then as you make your videos of high quality, please try to also promote them on other social media platforms, especially when you are on let's say Instagram, on Facebook, other social media platforms. You see, now some people even get in touch on Facebook. It's like, hey, smart, I want to get in touch, blah blah blah, and all that. And it's all joy to actually get in touch with your subscribers in that magnificent way. All right, so that is it, and I wish you all the best. So I decided to actually share with you how I was able to get the 209 subscribers over here on this my new YouTube channel within a twinkle of an eye before I knew it. All right, so keep it up, copy that, and it's actually going to work for you too. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe and be part of this wonderful family.